You're sitting in a park one afternoon when a woman walks over and sits beside you. Her skin is as white as snow. Her hair is silver and curly. Her eyes are a brilliant blue. Captivated, you ask her name. Abarash, she replies. Then she casually mentions that she's from a tribe in sub-Saharan Africa. That's when it hits you. She's a black woman with albinism. You ask for her number. She smiles, takes your phone, and enters it with her left hand. The two of you start going on dates. She's funny, intelligent, and fascinating. Before long, you've fallen in love. Somehow, she falls for you too. Then your alarm clock goes off. You wake up. It was all a dream. Lying there with your heart racing, you can't stop thinking about one question. Does someone like that actually exist? Statistically, yes. But that leads to a more interesting question. Out of the 8 billion people alive today, what would the rarest possible person look like? To answer that, we need to break humanity down trait by trait. Let's start with ethnicity. There are roughly 7,000 ethnic groups on Earth. Most people belong to a handful of very large populations. The Han Chinese alone make up nearly 18% of humanity. But on the opposite end are tiny groups with only a few hundred members. For our rarest human, we'll assume they come from an ethnic group of just 500 people. In a world of 8 billion, that's roughly 1 inch 16 million. Now let's add albinism. Albinism is a genetic condition that reduces or eliminates melanin production, resulting in very light skin, white or silver hair, and light-colored eyes. Globally, albinism occurs in roughly 1 out of every 20,000 people. Next comes complete heterochromia. This rare trait causes a person to have 2 completely different eye colors, such as 1 blue eye and 1 brown eye. It occurs in about 1 inch 1,667 people. Now, let's make our person left-handed. Only around 10% of people naturally favor their left hand. Handedness is influenced by genetics and brain development. But we're still not finished. Most humans see color using 3 types of cone cells in the eye. Tetrachromats possess a 4th cone type, allowing them to perceive color differences most people can never see. Some researchers believe true tetrachromats may distinguish up to 100 million colors. The trait appears in roughly 1 out of every 80,000 people. Now let's give our rarest human something even more extraordinary: hyperthymesia. Also known as highly superior autobiographical memory, it allows a person to remember an astonishing amount of personal experiences in vivid detail. Fewer than a few hundred people worldwide are believed to have it. So let's recap. Our rarest human belongs to a tiny ethnic group, has albinism, complete heterochromia, is left-handed, possesses tetrachromacy, and has hyperthymesia. When all of these traits are combined, the odds become almost impossible to imagine. And yet, this still isn't the rarest person you could create. There are countless other variables we haven't included: rare blood types, unique mutations, exceptional abilities, and unusual physical traits. The point is simple. Every human being is the product of unbelievable odds. The exact combination of traits, experiences, genetics, and circumstances that created you has never existed before and never will again. People often say there are plenty of fish in the sea, but there is only one you. And that's pretty incredible. So keep swimming, truly one of a kind.